everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the AMC 8 2017 problem number 16. So the problem is a geometry problem, and it asks for you to, the problem says that there's some point on the hypotenuse, let's just call it D, such that these two triangles have the same perimeter, and then it just wants you to find the area of this triangle. And let's just redraw that. So that's actually going to be pretty hard, but let's first assign some variables before we start worrying and panicking. So let's just call this x, and since this is x, this has to be 5 minus x, because 5 minus x plus x has to be 5. From here on, we can call this length y, because we don't know what it is. And now we know the perimeters of each of them. This perimeter up here has a perimeter of 3 plus y plus 5 minus x, while the other one, since they're equal, is 4 plus y plus x. And now we can see what we can do. So the y's cancel out, which is nice. And we're left with 3 plus 5 minus x equals 4 plus x. Then we add these and we solve for x. We get negative 2x equals 8 minus 4 minus 8, which is negative 4. And x ends up being 2. So we're almost done because we know that x is 2. Oops. 2. So therefore this right here must be 3. And now we need to find this right here. And we have to find the height right here. And we see something. We see similar triangles right here. This triangle right here is similar to the whole triangle itself. And since it's similar, we can start making so they're in the ratio 2 over 5. So 2 over 5 times 3 means that this is 6 over 5 by similar triangle ratios. And now we're basically done because we can find the area of this triangle. We have the base and the height. 4 times 6 over 5 and then times 1/2 is equal to 24 over 5, which divided by 2 is equal to 12 over 5. And that is our answer. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to check out my other videos. And I also have other videos on AMC 8, including the newest AMC 8, AMC 2018. So go check those out. Thanks for watching.